Go ahead and tell you what I had in my premium box. Now I ended up getting the mini box for a giveaway as well as the premium for a giveaway. Now the giveaway for Instagram and Twitter, that's a separate giveaway, but I'll go ahead and tell you what's in my premium boxes. So all the premium boxes come with the mystery shade, which I was starting to doubt whether there was a mystery shade or not, but there is. Okay, so we already did this one that we opened last time, and you basically know what's in that one. I'll go ahead and link the video. That was the Romeo and Triggered. Really like these two shades, very pretty. I know I still have it in here, I don't know why. I need to go ahead and just put it up. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I got my mystery shade, and this one's called the Glory Gold Lip Ammunition, and the, what is this one? Oh, Gemini. Just watch what I got from the mystery shade. So it looks like this. I really like the packaging, it's really cute. I like this really bright neon green. It's a really pretty shade. So that's really pretty, and that's the mystery shade. We know Jeffree Star did say that it was going to be more of an everyday wear, which is nice because that is more of an everyday wear. It's really pretty. Premium box is called Jeffree Girl. Doesn't have a bad smell. It just has like little, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It may not be anything to be alarmed for. It's really hot where I live, so I don't know if while the packaging was waiting in the mailbox, it kind of looks like perspiration. It's weird. It looks like, you know, when you're sweating, but you can't really see it on there. And then it wipes off, so I don't know if it's just the ingredients in the lipstick that causes it to do that. I've had lipsticks that done that in the past, but it doesn't smell bad. Oh, did I get my nose? And this one's like a pinkish color. That's really pretty. Okay, and there's Gemini. Oh, this one's beautiful. Oh, it's really pretty. So these are all shades that I would wear. These are actually, I would say starting from here, that's like my favorite lip color. If I had to choose one, I would normally go for like a earth tone type of shade, I would say. And then that would be more like a fun one that I would wear. And then this one would be more of an everyday wear for me too. If I had to choose between this one and this one, I really love that one. It's a bit more subtle. So for the second premium box, again, Pop Socket Galore Ice Queen, which is a liquid frost liquid highlighter, and the mystery shade. I don't need more than one mystery shade since I already have a highlight in this one, and the mystery shade as well. So I don't really get makeup and stock up on it. I just get one shade, and once I run out of it, then I'll buy another one. So these two things I'll add to the mini box as well. That's for my second premium box. It looks like a lip topper. Galaxy Gold. And they all do have a smell to them. It's not a strong, overpowering smell. This one. Oh yeah, Gemini, by the way, it smells like licorice. If you have Gemini already in your collection or you got it in your mystery box, did yours smell like licorice or just me? Because to me it smells like licorice, literally. Doesn't smell bad if you like licorice. But yeah, this looks more like a lip topper, and this one actually does not have, I really don't know what it's called, but it looks like, best way to explain it, kind of looks like perspiration, like when you sweat and you see the little dots on your face. That's how the lipstick looks. It looked like it kind of melted a bit into a sense while it It was waiting for me outside. This one doesn't have that. So comment below and let me know if yours arrived like that. And then the Liquid Frost. This one is Canary Bling. Actually, I think this is, oh yeah, it is plastic. Yeah, it's plastic, it's not glass. But it's a cute little bottle if you're into packaging. Again, I'm not huge with packaging. As long as the product is good, that is more important to me than packaging. But if you're into packaging, this is adorable. Then you actually squeeze this little mechanism and it comes out. Let's not do that. All right, let's go ahead. Put some. I'm just gonna put a little bit. This highlight actually looks like Galaxy Gold, but in highlight form, liquid form, we should say. Literally, I'll put it next to each other. Just a bit more, this one's a bit more liquidy. Yeah, look at it. Of course, the highlight's a bit more sheer, resembles the Galaxy Gold shade. A bit more in person, I would say. It's very glittery. And it has like even like a purple type of, it looks like glitter to it. Like specks of purple. It could just be me. It's pretty. It's very sheer, which is nice. So if you like sheer highlight, very subtle, but still has that pop to it, it's nice. It's actually really nice. I like it. All right, so I'll put that up there. Now I went ahead and added, again, I added the rest of the product to the mini box for the giveaway. So you'll have extra things, oops. So you'll have extra products that I added in here. Again, the mystery shade doesn't come in the mini box, and I definitely wanted whatever wins this to have the mystery shade because it is very pretty. It's this one right here. And since I already have it, don't need an extra one. And that was really all I wanted to go over with you guys. I kind of just wanted to give you a quick, wanted to swatch them for you and give you a quick update with that. So to recap, as far as the delivery went, it was quick. I will say everything came separate. The only thing that came together was my 2 premium, but I also had another premium box that came separate. So don't know what happened with that. My mini boxes, again, they came separate and they came different times. So the first one that came in was the one that I did the video for right away, and then a day later the other premium box came in, and then I think it was 3 days later, if I'm not mistaken, the other 2 came in, and then a day after that the mini came in. So they all came in different times. They did not come in the same day, which that was a little strange, but it's all right. At least it came in, and I didn't have any issues with the actual packages getting lost, which is USPS. I really like USPS because I never have an issue with them so far. Shouldn't say never, but so far I haven't had an issue with them. And yeah, and once you get your packaging, I hope you enjoy your products. I hope you enjoy what's in there. Thank you so much for all you guys who did enter, and I will be doing another giveaway in the future. And of course, for that one, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one open for a longer period of time. I'm pretty new to all this, so for this one I would have left it open for a longer period of time too, but I definitely want to do that next time. So bear with me. I'm very new to all this. I'm new to the YouTube side as well, so thank you so much for your patience. Again, don't forget, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell for surprise videos during the week, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna go ahead and post the winner at the end of the video, so stick around. All right, peace.